So check this out, I have this self-flying camera, not a drone. So if you wanted to get some cool selfies, have that cameraman that follows you around with just this tiny foldable and portable device, this is actually a lot of fun to play around with and get shots like this.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. And if you're new here and you like that kind of stuff, don't be a stranger. I'll put links to everything down in the description so you can find it on there. Maybe a coupon code, maybe, and a surprise link. And as always on this channel, it's not about getting you to spend your money. My job here is to show you the cool products that are out there, show you how they work, how they look, how they feel, how they fly, and then tell you where you can get it and you can decide for yourselves. So this comes in from 00 Robotics. It's the HoverAir X1, a compact self-flying camera giving you 2K resolution for quick shots and a nice gimbal for triple stabilization. It's got intelligent flight patterns, biopositioning, and it's only 125 grams. It is super light. And it also folds down and I can fit this in my back pocket if I want to. There are 4 propellers in a guard system that will launch from your hand and perform the tasks that you set it to. And you can use this without any remotes or any controllers or even without your smartphone. You can just do it right from here. But you do need to set it up with your phone. You can adjust the settings and different modes like shooting in vertical mode. And you can also preview your shots. And craziest of all, it'll record your phone microphone with noise canceling so you don't even hear the sound of the HoverAir. Yeah, it's 2K.
There's the video.
So then watch, it comes back. Ah! So how it works, we unfold it, power on, and you set it to one of these modes. You can also get tips and tricks on how to use each mode. But first one is hover, where it will just hover right in place and it will actually follow you around, staying in the same spot. You can also adjust this on the app to set the recording duration from 30 seconds to continuous. You can also disable or engage the target tracking, which means it can track you by spinning around or it can just stay static. With zoom out mode, it's really cool. You can set this up and then it just kind of zooms out away from you, getting a picture or video. It's a really cool like reveal shot. And with the app, you can customize it to set the distance from 1.5 meters to 9 meters or almost 30 feet. You can set it to be a flat shot or a raise up or a lower down. With follow mode, it's like hover, however, it follows you around. With the app, you can adjust the duration and the distance that you want it to follow from, like from close to standard to far. And then you can set the altitude for high, flat, or a low follow shot. With orbit mode, which will circle around you, and with the app, you can set it to a distance of 1.5 meters in radius up to 6 meters or 20 feet in radius. You can set the rotation for just 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 360 degrees, or 1080 degrees or 3 rotations around you. And you can also set the altitude to rise from 1 meter, stay flat, or go lower 1 meter. And then there's bird's eye, which will just go straight up in the air. And you can set this from 5 meters up to 15 meters or 49 feet. And then you can also turn rotation on and it can rotate slow, normal, or fast. And then there is custom mode, which through the app, you can actually do some skilled shots like snapshot or dolly track, which dolly track will be like follow mode from the front. And there's also some skilled shots that you need to unlock by flying it more, which I'm going to do. The picture quality and video quality are actually really good, like especially if you're filming in sunshine. I was actually pleasantly surprised. If you drop it down to 1080p at 60 frames per second, you can activate the HDR, and then at 60 frames per second, you can slow it down half speed if you want to. There is 32 gigabytes of internal storage on this, which you can easily connect it to your phone to get the videos off. It actually doesn't take that long. And the battery will last you about 20 uses. It's kind of hard to determine the exact time because you're kind of just like using it for different shots and bringing it back. You're not really using it for an extended period of time. But I do think it's worth it to get the pack with the extra batteries because you'll definitely want to be able to swap those out. So really the big advantages to this is that it's not a drone. So if you find that sign that says no drones allowed, well, this isn't a drone. This is a self-flying camera. And it's also super quick and easy to just launch up. It doesn't bring the attention like a drone would. So you can get some really cool and creative shots that you could never get with any other camera. And I learned how to use this with my family. We were just having a blast just getting shots and just seeing how it worked. Everybody was really amazed at how good it would follow and how good it would just like go out and come back. And then when we played it back, we were like, the quality looks great. Like you're pleasantly surprised by the 2K quality. It's not bad at all. And also that stabilization does a great job. And I'll use this a lot in the future, especially because it's so easy to travel with. But like if I'm on my skateboard or scooter and I just want to get a quick shot and get something really creative, I can just pull this thing out and then have some fun with it. So that's the HoverAir X1, and I'll put the link down in the description if you want to check out what the current price is. Maybe it's on sale, maybe we have a coupon code. Check down in the description for that. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. A lot of other really cool products to share with you coming right up on this channel. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?